Have you ever imagined a camera so fast it can capture 1 trillion pictures every single second? Not just that, this camera can even see through transparent things like glass, water, or air. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. This incredible invention comes from Dr. Lihong Wang, a scientist at Caltech. Last year, he built a camera that could take 10 trillion pictures per second. But that wasn't enough for him. He wanted to go one step further to capture things that our eyes can't even see. So he created a brand new ultrafast camera that combines two powerful ideas: his own high-speed photography system and an older technique called phase contrast microscopy, a method first invented in 1934 to make transparent objects visible. When these two technologies work together, the result is amazing. Dr. Wang's new camera can actually film invisible events in real time, things like shock waves, light pulses, or signals moving through neurons. In one experiment, he recorded a shock wave moving through water, frame by frame. In another, he captured a laser beam traveling through a crystal. Both moments are usually invisible to the human eye, but now we can finally see them happening. This technology is called PCUP, which stands for Phase-Sensitive Compressed Ultrafast Photography, and it could change the future of science. With it, scientists might one day watch brain cells send messages, see how fire spreads inside engines, or observe chemical reactions as they happen.